In this video, I'm going to show you how to cure your hearing loss with an ancient remedy that was just discovered by scientists. Coming up. Hi guys, Cliff Olson, Doctor of Audiology and founder of Applied Hearing Solutions in Phoenix, Arizona. And on this channel, I cover a bunch of hearing related information to help make you a better informed consumer. So if you're into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell to receive a notification every time I post a new video. I can't believe I'm saying this, but scientists just recently uncovered a natural cure for hearing loss that is so simple it makes you wonder how we haven't been using this forever. That being said, this cure can actually be made by common items inside of your own kitchen. This simple remedy was used by ancient cultures to treat hearing loss, but at some point along the way it was lost. But don't worry, because I actually have the ingredients that go into this hearing loss cure, and I'm going to show you them right now. Alright guys, here we are in my kitchen and I'm going to go over the very simple process of making your own remedy to cure your hearing loss. And I'm going to go over the ingredients first. We have some smoked paprika, we have 2 cloves of garlic, and we also have a high quality olive oil. The first step that you're going to do here is actually take the skins off of the garlic. So let me do that really quick here. Want to make sure that we get all of the skins off of this and put it inside of a mortar, because we are going to want to make sure that we grind this up really good, kind of down into a little bit of a paste. And then we want to take a 1/4 teaspoon of the smoked paprika. There we go. I'm going to put that in there with it. I'm going to set this off to the side. Now we want to take our pestle and we're actually going to grind that up really good. It's very important that we work the paprika in with the garlic and really turn this into a nice paste. This is roughly what you want it to look like with that. There we go. So once we have that all worked in nicely, we're going to want to take this out and put it inside of like a glass cup or something of that nature. So I'm going to take my spoon here and just kind of work it out. There we go. Perfect. That is looking perfect. So the next step here is we're actually going to take the olive oil. We want about an 1/8 cup of olive oil to pour in there. This doesn't have to be exact. That is pretty good right there. And then we're going to mix that around. And so now all of the nutrients from the paprika and from the garlic are working into the olive oil right now. And it actually smells really good as well. We have that all mixed together, so that is what it looks like right there. The next thing you're going to want to do is take your eardropper and fill it up as much as you can, or you can actually take a spoon. It just depends on what you're most comfortable with. If you're not comfortable with using a spoon to apply this natural cure, then go ahead and get yourself an eardropper to do this. But I actually prefer to use a spoon because I'm pretty good at this point at not making a mess. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a bowl of lettuce and you're going to scoop a spoonful of this and drizzle it on the lettuce, because this is an April Fool's joke. That's right, there is no natural cure for hearing loss. Researchers have been looking for a cure for a long time. There are some biomedical companies who are working on cures, but none of them have an actual cure yet. And there sure as heck is no cure that's sitting in your kitchen. Do not put any of this stuff inside of your ear canal. That will lead most likely to an ear infection, if not a blocked off ear canal where you have to go and see a hearing care professional or a medical professional to have that blockage removed. Just don't fall for all of these so-called experts telling you that there's some natural cure for hearing loss, because it just doesn't exist. And as always, have a happy April Fool's Day. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please share it. If you want to see other videos just like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, feel free to check out my website, drcliffaud.com.